Most people think laundromat deals start and end with biz buy sell. Wrong. By the time a good deal shows up online, you're already late. If it's public, it's picked over. If it's pretty, it's priced high. And if it's perfect, it's probably already sold. And if you've already started looking for a laundromat to buy, you've probably run into the same three things: no deals, overpriced junk, and brokers who never call you back. It's frustrating. I hear it all the time. But the best laundromat deals, the ones that actually build wealth, oftentimes they're hidden. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how we find them for our clients and how you can find them too. Stick around for the last method. It's the secret weapon. Now look, if it's tough to find deals on market, we've got to start searching off market. Finding off market deals doesn't require luck. It requires a system. The buyers we coach who find deals consistently, they're not sitting around refreshing LoopNet. They're proactive, connected, and strategic. Let me show you how to do it too. Step 1, become the buyer in your market. Thanks to big name YouTubers, viral TikTok laundromats, there are hundreds of people looking for laundromats right now. But very few sellers actually know who's serious, who's ready, and who's just tire kicking. So your goal here is to show sellers that you're serious and ready. Here's what you need to do. Number 1, start by educating yourself on the basics. You're here, so you're off to a great start. But I also recommend taking our free 3-lesson course so that you can have a solid foundation on the acquisition process. Then, once you start educating yourself, start telling everyone in the laundromat ecosystem exactly what you're looking for. That means you're looking for brokers, equipment distributors, repair techs, suppliers, real estate agents, and even other laundromat owners themselves to let them know that you're out there hunting. Say something like this: I'm looking to buy a laundromat in your city or zip code with a gross revenue of over $15,000 a month. I've got funding lined up, I'm serious and ready to buy. You show up with clarity and consistently, you can speak the language, and you become the first phone call when somebody's ready to sell quietly. That's when the real deals start showing up. All right, step 2, talk to burned out owners. Once you're on the broker's radar, it's time to go deeper. Here's the cheat code. Walk into a laundromat and look around. If this is some of the stuff you see, it might be a good deal to be had. Broken machines, dirty floors, flickering lights, no staff in sight. This is what a lot of people think of when they think of laundromats these days. And most buyers, most people say, "Oh, no thanks." But I say there's a conversation to be had here, because a rundown laundromat often means a burned out owner. They're tired, they're done, they're fed up with quarters, clogs, and complaints. They don't want to deal with a public listing, negotiations, inspections, 17 lowballers with a clipboard. They don't want to have to share their financials with anybody except for who's going to buy this deal. They want out quietly. So here you are, you show up, you're respectful, you're calm, you're clear, you demonstrate that you have some knowledge about the industry, and you say, "Hey, I'm looking to buy a laundromat in the area. I'd love to learn more about your store if you're ever open to a conversation." And then the real secret sauce here is you listened. That's how you unlock off-market deals. But I got a bonus tip for you on this step. Ask the owners questions about the business, about the industry, and about their experience owning the laundromat. It helps them feel like an expert, and it actually makes them like you more and want to work with you. I've seen this work over and over personally, and with a lot of our consulting clients. Step 3, work the insider network. Here's how to get the ultimate inside edge. Start building relationships with the people who are already inside laundromats every day. Repair technicians, route operators, chemical reps, landlords, wash and fold suppliers, anybody who's going in and out of laundromats. Those are the people that hear everything. They know which owners are frustrated, which stores are going under, which leases are about to expire, which machines are hanging on by a thread. They know who's about to sell before anyone else does, or they know who needs to sell, sometimes before the owner even knows they need to sell. So build those relationships. Don't just ask for deals, ask how you can help. Stay in touch. And here's a bonus tip that will be so effective for you, especially working with distributors, service techs, any of these kinds of people. Start connecting people. Even before you're in the industry, even before you're an owner, you're going to be looking around, talking to multiple people. Start introducing owners to service technicians. Send suppliers to a struggling store. Help a broker find a lead. Connecting people is the best form of networking. It builds trust and it pays dividends, literally. All right, step number 4, let's head back online and use Google, not just Biz Buy Sell, and we're gonna up our game here a little bit. This one's so simple, it's a little ridiculous. Head to Google Maps, search for laundromat in the area that you're looking, and make a list of every single one. You can also go and hire somebody to scrape Google Map listings, or if you join us as one of our clients, we've got listings of all the laundromats in every state in the United States. So we'd gladly share that with you. But you can make a list of all the laundromats in your area as well. There's probably not that many. So once you have that list, send them a letter. Call them, visit them, walk in and talk to someone in the laundromat. Half of them are going to ignore you. Okay. This is sales 101. Not everybody is going to be super excited that you're there, and not everybody is going to want to sell you their laundromat. At least half of them are going to ignore you. Some won't be interested, but once in a while, you'll hear something like this. Actually, I've been thinking about selling my laundromat. Boom. You just uncovered a deal nobody else even knew about. And here's a bonus tip for you. We've actually created a free letter template that you can customize. It's just a Word doc or a Google Doc. You can download it for free and you can put your name and word it however you want to and send it to laundromat owners in your area. We use it ourselves and our clients use it, and we know that it works. It works over and over and over again, and you can download it for free. Head to laundromatresource.com/resources. And if that bonus tip was not enough for you, we've got a bonus tip on top of the bonus tip. That same letter that you mail to laundromats, when you head out and visit locations, keep a stack of those letters in your car, truck, motorcycle, skateboard, one wheel, however you're getting around town, keep a stack of those letters with you. And when you pop in there, if you happen to catch the owner there, have that conversation with them that you were going to have anyways, and leave the letter with them. That way they'll have something tangible to remember you by, and they'll have your contact information on there as well. But listen, most of us are not getting into this business so that we're hanging out at our laundromats all day. So chances are pretty good you're not going to find the owner sitting in the laundromat most times. So what you can do is take that letter and hand it to an attendant if there's an attendant there, and ask them to make sure the owner gets a hold of it. And here's the beauty of it. If nobody's there, it's an unattended store, drop that letter in the mail slot. Never waste a visit. Okay, here you go. You ready for the secret sauce? This is step number 5. We've talked about all of these different techniques to find a deal where nobody else can find them. But here's the real secret sauce. Systematize it. Like, let's be real. Deals are hard to find right now. It's the number one obstacle people trying to get in this business. It's not a lack of information. It's not a lack of capital. It's actually a lack of being able to find a deal. So we've got to systemize the process. But here's the thing. When I ask people what they're doing to find deals, when they complain to me that there's nothing for sale on the market, the problem usually isn't the strategy. It's the volume. Don't just email a broker once. Email, call, and text every broker in your market every single week. Be that squeaky wheel. The squeaky wheel gets the oil. It's doubly true right now in our industry. Don't send 20 letters and give up when you hear nothing back. Send 100 letters every 2 weeks to the same laundromats. Don't make one Google Map list and stop. Make 10, keep building, and keep tracking those things. We actually track all of these touches with our clients, so you can do that too for yourself. The magic here is in the system. If you want hidden deals, you have to be the one to become visible. And yeah, listen, I'm just gonna shoot straight with you. It's a lot of work. But here's the good news. You don't have to do it alone. That's the whole reason that we created the Laundromat Resource community. We've got a completely free tier, and inside you'll find a whole bunch of things like free deal analysis tools, checklists and calculators, off-market deal tips, Q&As, all kinds of stuff going on over there, including a full network of people who are already doing this. So if you're serious about buying a laundromat, but you also want to find the deals nobody else sees, head over to laundromatresource.com/join, and it might be how you find the deal that changes everything. And listen, some of you guys are listening to this or watching this right now and saying, hey, this seems like a lot of work, or I'm not sure that I can do it on my own. Listen, if you want expert help running the systems, analyzing the deals, and knowing exactly what you're buying before it becomes yours through doing due diligence and asking all the right questions and getting all the right answers, head over to laundromatresource.com/coaching and book a free strategy call with our team. We'll help you take the next right step. We've got done for you systems where you don't have to do anything if you don't want to. We've also got done with you systems where a one-on-one coach will help guide you through that whole process. Because listen, your goals won't happen unless you take the action to make them happen. So get out there and take some action.